I really like vegetables, but if you don't, here's a fun way to eat them. It's a vegetable parfait. It's like an ice cream parfait, but instead of layering ice cream, you use vegetables. See how there's a layer of celery, carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes? Shay L. of Massachusetts emailed us this recipe. Here's what you'll need. Besides your favorite vegetables, you'll need your favorite salad dressing, I'm using Italian, and a clear plastic cup. First, peel and wash your vegetables, and then chop them all up, like this. Then, start layering your cup with your veggies. I'm going to start with celery. Ooh, looks really good. Can't wait to eat it. Then the carrots. Put a little more, one more scoop. I really like cucumbers, so I'm going to put a lot. I like it because it has no lettuce, and I don't really like lettuce. Alright, and finally, your tomatoes. Ooh. Really looks really good. And finally, to top it off, put your favorite salad dressing on top. Shake it up a little bit. Let that soak through. Oopsie daisies. Righty. Dig in. Shay says these are scrum-diddly-umptious. Bon appetit! That's really good.